Going on, everybody? So we got a 2016 Ford F-150. This is what the dash looks like. We're going to reset the oil change reminder light. So we're going to turn it on, turn our key on. Just going to go through some of his menus here because there's some lights. So over here on the steering wheel, you got up, down, left, and right. So anyways, we're going to hit the back button until this menu pops up. We can go up and down. We're going to go into display mode. Then from here, we're going to go through and we're going to find engine information. It's going to say percent oil life, engine hours, engine idle hours. Down below it says hold OK to reset oil life. So we're going to press and hold this OK button right here on the left side of the steering wheel. Press and hold, resetting, and it says reset. So now on the top, percent oil life, 100%. Make sure you hit that like button, hit subscribe. We'll see you guys next time.